Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I'm making what? This is a soap net and aloe vera gel shampoo. Okay, that's it. Only two ingredients and smoothie hair. That's it. Today I'm going to show big soap net and small soap net. Okay, this is already I removed the seeds, yeah. Not necessary actually, when you're soaking in the hot water, automatically it will come here. Don't waste your time. That's what I want to tell you because I'm experienced now. Okay. Now you have to soak this one. This is only 55 grams actually for short hair. This is more than enough. Now you have to keep it in the hot water little while because that jaggy will come, no. Okay. Now I'm going to show the aloe vera. Aloe vera, what you have to do in the night, otherwise at least 3-4 hours you have to cut and keep. Better cut it in the night and keep it outside. It will become like this only, and take it out this part also. I'll show how to do aloe vera gel properly. Every time I am flop show only, this time just it's working out for me very nicely. Then I thought I can share and show all of you. Okay, come on now. Now what you have to do, nicely we are cutting like this, and sides also I'll take it barbar, don't waste the time, no. So see, nicely, this is all thorns, yeah, it will poke. Okay, now again you have to cut this one properly, sarbur only. Sometimes I'll take it out with that also, yeah, it will come very nicely. No hustle puzzle only. Okay, see, this is better, yeah. Careful your hands and all. Okay, now like this properly you have to remove this one side only, not two sides. If you want, you can try both the sides also. That's not big problem. Yes. Now see, and don't waste this one. Yeah, you have to put it all in the pot. A garden also. This is very healthy and very nice one. That only my tip. Okay, today tip. Now what you have to do? Properly take the aloe vera gel like this. See how nicely it will come. See. See how white and nice, no. Now I'll show you how what to do. Now take it out properly, then put it inside like this. My kitchen, this is only a useful for me actually. See how nicely silky. Now nicely you mash it like this. That only I want to tell you, don't put it in the grinder, no. That will becoming watery. Then when I'm using, no, the consistency is not at all good, like watery. Now this is nice. See how nice this is, the sticky, properly the aloe vera gel is like a conditioner when you're applying for your hair. See, now pour the hot water. Yeah, this is enough. Okay, now soak it for at least very hot this one. Okay. Yeah, this is my old one. Yeah, this is nearly 3-4 days back. I pour it inside and I kept it in the fridge only, because sometimes very urgent means I will use this one only. Okay, this is the thing. Again, let me soak it for at least little while, then I'll show you. Okay, see, I told you, not necessary to remove the seeds also. It's very hot in here. I'm doing this. See, so hot. See the okay, now what you have to do, you have to mix it with the aloe vera gel. See how it will become. See how thick and slimy. See, like conditioner. See, see how nice this is. I'll show here. Just see how slimy. Okay, like this only your conditioner, your hair also, no dryness, because for me I use henna and indigo leaves. Mine always dry. Even I am trying to tell people how to use that one only. Now see, properly you can add it this Rita water. Rita means soap net water. See how nice it will become now. See, nicely you can apply and wash it. And one more thing I want, you can oil your hair, and as it is like that also apply some whatever, flax seeds, that one also, and you can take bath. Castor oil also, yeah, it will go properly. Rita and Shikakai, this is the best solutions to wash your hair. Okay, that remember, I am always, I forgot to tell this one only. You can, sometimes I use the castor oil and coconut oil and sesame oils also. I will mix 3 oils. Okay, now again I use this one only. I put it in the fridge, this one, old one. But always, if you are using a fresh one, very very nice. If you don't have time, you want to go here and there, that time really very busy schedules, you can keep it in the fridge 1 week also, sustainable, there is no problem. I mix with this one only, see how nice this one, this is the fresh one, see how nice this one also. Okay. Now you people understand, no, this is a aloe vera gel shampoo with little bit conditioning, you know, properly conditioning also there, how you're using and your water, so many things are there. Yeah, that's it, now you understand. Again I want to show properly, see. How nice, see how beautiful. Yeah, this one really, I'm telling, I can mix it in this also, see, like you can see now, this is a soap net properly, now it's a cool down, no problem, I can do. Again what I don't want to waste this one, I wash all my vessels, you know, all these things, no chemical free. Yeah, whatever you can, you know, scrub it here and there and wash your clothes and everything, I told you before also, this is very friendly and buy it very cheap. Very nice one also, there is no problem. Now what you people are doing, you also doing aloe vera gel shampoo trying, and let me know, come on, enjoy.